everyone, welcome back to the Christmas cleaning edition. We are on day 11. We are going to be cleaning our dishwasher, so you can either watch and get motivated or you can clean along with me. So we're going to clean our dishwasher. This is definitely going to be used a lot throughout the Christmas period. Mine's actually not so bad. It's only the seals that really need a deep clean. I try to do my dishwasher like at least once a month, so it's not so bad to be honest. But you can see by the drain there's a lot of food, but mainly the seals are what I think need a deep clean. So I'm gonna take this out. As you can see, there's a bit of food on there, food buildup, and I'm just gonna empty everything and put it all in the bin. And I think what I'm gonna do after this is, I forgot to buy the dishwasher cleaner, so I'll see what I can do with that. Maybe during the school run I can go and pick it up. There's only a bit of buildup, not a lot, just in there, and I'm going to use washing up liquid. I don't really think there's anything else I need to use. Washing up liquid is the best thing for it, and it's just a bit of buildup of like oils or whatever it is that gets caught in there. it for day 11. Everything has been cleaned and I'm quite happy with that. So join me tomorrow for day 12. So you can either clean along with me or get motivated. Remember to pick a task that matches your energy. That's it for me. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye.